As e dey hot, my people, join me. Let us make some catfish and yam pepper soup, guys. As you can see on this video, here is the catfish I'm making using of. I lose it, and the catfish is blocked, so I have to put hot water to melt it, guys. The fish is fishery, guys, so I cut it where I bought it. It make it so easier for me to use, guys. So I'm done washing it. I added salt to it, guys, as you can see on this video. After salt, and I added hot water. Okay, now wife material na dey run on. So after the hot water, I kept it aside for a minute before washing it. So guys, I have done washing it. Here is the fish, guys. So as it dey hot, it's time to prepare the pepper soup, guys. So guys, let's go. So here is the yam I'm making using of. So okay, now put the yam inside the pot. So after putting the yam, I go in with the fish, as you can see. So I put them one by one. I say wife material that I yam. I say today yam pepper soup go different too. I say the yam and the fish, I'm going to cook them together today. As you can see on this video, I'm done adding the fish. I go in with the blended pepper with onions and garlic blended together with ginger, everything inside. Okay, now after pouring the water, I go in with some salt, a little salt, or not too much, because pepper soup don't need too much salt. So if you put too much salt, it will be too salty. So I go in with no maggi, 1.5 no maggi. I break it inside, as you can see on this video. Please make sure you like and share this video. So after that, this is the main thing. This is the local pepper soup spices. I added it. So without this one, the pepper soup will not have taste. So you have to put this before cooking pepper soup. So I go in with some water, guys. After going in with some water, I have to turn it. I turn it very well, as you can see on this video. They tell you, now me be the best cooker in this app. So if you want to learn how to cook, just come to my page. Write for me, write a message. Tell me, say, I want to learn how to cook, and I will teach you. If you don't know how to cook, don't worry yourself anymore. Come here, I'm here for you. So here is the yam pepper soup, guys. It's getting ready. So I have to turn it around again, as you can see. Turn it a little, not too much, so that the fish will not scatter. If you turn it too much, the fish will scatter. So I go in with some water, as you can see. So after adding the water, I have to turn it again. As I dey turn this food, the aroma in my kitchen just dey tell me, say, eat me, eat me, eat me, eat me. This food too enter. So I cover am. I come back again to come check am. It's time to add bitter leaf. You dey add bitter leaf for your pepper soup? If you dey cook yam pepper soup, you dey add bitter leaf, either scent leaf. If you no dey add scent leaf, either bitter leaf, no be pepper soup you cook. Go learn how to cook pepper soup. Come to my page. I will teach you. Anyhow you take want, I go teach you. So guys, let's leave it for a minute before bringing it down. As you can see now, seafood now is ready to eat. Guys, bring your plate too. Voiceover not easy. Guys, share this video.